front porch sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a front porch makeover. I am refreshing my front porch for the springtime, and I'm just kind of using what I have as of right now. I do have some new things, I'll show you just in a minute, but I decided that I cannot keep plants alive, so I am keeping it fake this spring. So you will see all of my plants that I got, my flowers that I got, they're all fake, and hopefully they will look good, look natural, look real, and you know, everything will turn out great. So the ones that look like plants, I actually got those from Hobby Lobby, and then these yellow flowers that you see, those came from Walmart. And then the planters that I'm going to be using are the planters that I got from Walmart. I was price checking between Walmart and Dollar General, and I like these because they actually are like a little bit bigger. And I think these were actually cheaper than the ones that I found at the Dollar General. And then these other ones that you see on the side that I didn't end up using, I already had those, but because of the plants and how the stem of the plants were so tall, I felt like I just needed a bigger planter. So, and then these little mesh cube things that I'm using to stick the plants in, they came from Walmart. And I'm pretty sure you probably could have gotten them cheaper from Dollar Tree, but it was just faster for me to get them from the Walmart since I was already there. So these plants right here, they end up being one of my favorites. They look so real, so natural. I kind of wish that I would have gotten more to be on the side, because the other ones I end up taking back into the house just because we had a storm to pass through, and I brought everything in because I didn't want anything to blow out the porch, and it just worked out better for me to just keep those inside. And so I really want to go out to Hobby Lobby and get some more of these that you see right now and put it on the other side of that rocking chair. And to make it look more natural, I just went ahead and put some soil in there to, you know, just make it look like it really is a plant. And I'm telling y'all, this is the way to go. It turned out so great. So if you ever want to put some plants out in front of your front porch, and you just don't have a green thumb, go fake. Use the fake plants. They look natural. You don't have to worry about watering them. I mean, it was just easy. So definitely is something that I would be doing again.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new visiting my channel. My name is Courtney. I am a full-time teacher, but I do YouTube on the side as a hobby. I like to do cleaning videos, makeover videos. I like to be in my classroom doing videos, so I do cleaning videos in there, and I do reset videos in there. But if you think you will like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so you won't be missing out. And I just appreciate the ones who have always followed me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for commenting and just doing all the things. I really appreciate your support. So I wanted to share the word of today, and it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future." This is Jeremiah 29:11. So you'll have to tell me what you think about this little makeover for springtime. I absolutely love it. It just looks so natural, and it's so easy to put together, and I'm like really loving everything about it. So I'm definitely going to be using fake plants from now on, just because I know I just don't have a green thumb. So let me know in the comments what you think, what your favorite plant is, and if you even like the whole setup. Just look at my little Chloe girl. She's just standing there, and Cooper's like really close by as well.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling.
So now I'm just moving over to the little sitting area, and I've done a makeover a couple of years ago. I think it was back in 2020, and I did like a makeover on the chairs, and you can kind of tell like the paint's kind of rubbing off. And I think this summer I'm gonna do like a whole like makeover on the front porch again. And I'm going to replace the chairs, replace the rug. Like, the rug needs to be replaced. You see it just pulled everywhere. And Chloe loves to pull the string from it. So that's something that we need to replace. But I just figured I would just wait till the summer and actually do like a total makeover on the front porch area. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I don't wanna be without you.